Welcome to our tutorial on how to put video quality on auto mode in YouTube on your PC. Auto mode allows YouTube to automatically adjust the video quality based on your internet connection, ensuring smooth playback without buffering. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enable auto mode for video quality in YouTube. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Select the video you want to watch and click on it to start playing. Step 3. In the video player, locate and click on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or cog wheel. Step 4. From the settings menu, find and click on quality to access the video quality options. Step 5. Inside the video quality options, click on auto to enable the auto mode for video quality. By following these quick and easy steps, you can put video quality on auto mode in YouTube on your PC, ensuring optimal playback based on your internet connection. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials on YouTube and other tech-related topics.